Good afternoon. My name is John Armstrong. My experiences go back over 15 years between the emergency department and the surgeon who was on call. The hospital and you all and the surgeon saved my life. All in all, my experience both with the hospital and with the emergency department has been extremely positive, and quite frankly, when there is the opportunity to give back, I would like to do that. My wife and I are very happy to be able to support the expansion of the emergency department and show some real gratitude and thanks for the wonderful care that we received, that I received. Thank you.